What it do, credit kings and queens? And today, man, this is a nice one because I officially opened my bank account back with Chase. The card's right here. Leg up. Welcome back. If this your, oh, I messed it up. Welcome back. If you've been here before, welcome to, I said whore. welcome back. If this your, why am I messing up? Welcome back. If you've been here before, welcome to. If this is your first time here, either way it go. My name is EJ and this is Essential Digital Media, and on this channel, man, you guys are following me on my score to 800, and then while I'm doing that, I'm giving you guys tips and tricks and education so that you guys can do the same thing. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you guys are following me on my journey. Alright, so let's get that out of the way. So today's video, man, gonna be short, quick, to the point. I have my card. I can officially go to Chase. Now, why was this such a big deal for me? If you guys watch this video here, I explained what happened. You know, Chase took me back, whatever, and now I'm able to move forward with Chase. Now, why is this important to me? One, because Chase is one of the best banks we have. Two, I'm trying to build a relationship with them because they have some of the best credit cards on the market, and we all know credit. You know what I'm saying? This is a credit channel. So clearly I want the best credit cards. And three, Chase has awesome business credit cards. So I'm trying to build a relationship with them. You know, if you're good with JP Morgan, man, you pretty much can do whatever you want. I don't have a lot of time. I can see my battery, so my battery light is blinking. So anyway, you guys are gonna join me as I open my card. I can't show you my numbers because I'm trying to steal my $0 on my bank account that I just opened. Yep, they allowed me to open the bank account with $0. So. So my camera died. Hold on. Here it is. You know what I'm saying? Back with Chase officially, so y'all can see for yourselves. See that says Chase? Oh. So yeah, man, this is nice to be back. I'm gonna activate my card, and I'm gonna wait. So my plan is I'm gonna stay with Wells Fargo for right now. And I'm going to open a business checking account with them next year around February or March after I get my LLC official. And then after that, I'm going to move all my funds to the Chase account, and I'm going to keep a business banking account open with Wells Fargo because they have a better rate. So I'm going to keep that over the secured business card. I'm going to do a video about that. Wells Fargo has a secured business card. I'm going to do a video about that. Open that account, checking account, and a secured card with them. All my regular banking goes through Chase, and eventually I will open some banking, some business account cards with Chase as well. So I'm going to have both of those banks with business cards, and then eventually I will, you know, jump into Amex. But that's far enough. That's far down the road. So the main things I like about Chase, you know, is that, you know, main things because they're one of the most popular banks in the world. If you have, you know, you have Chase, you have a little bit of prestige, you know, a little bit more prestige than some of these other banks. And on top of that, like I said, they have a lot of credit cards that I'm going to be wanting to get. Like I said, I got 3 that are mine. My next 3 cards have to be Chase cards because I'm already at my 524 rule with them. Well, 2 of the 5. So my next 3 cards has to be Chase cards. So I'm going to have to wait this out. As long as it takes to get my credit score where it needs to be to get these cards, because I don't want to wait 2 years from now to be able to get these cards. So I have to do it this way. It sucks, but this is the way I have to do it. All in all, I'll be giving you guys updates on what's going on. They did change it a little bit when I signed up for the card, for the account, because according to the lady on the phone, I just had to pay the $100 to start the payment plan. They'll have the 30 days to pay it off. But according to her, it was originally $700. They dropped it down to $600. So according to her, all I had was $464 to pay. So I paid the $100, so I thought I had $364 to pay. The way she explained it was a little different. When I got to the bank, I actually had to pay a little bit more. They worked with me. They matched some of the debt that I already had, so I only literally had to pay $38 more than what I was gonna pay. But still, the fact of the matter is, I was gonna be paying $365 and I ended up paying $400. So all in all, it wasn't that bad. They really want to make me pay $500, but they work with me. So Chase was ready to take me back. I do have a military background, so once they put me in a security account. So once my time passes 6 months or whatever, I go back to Chase and talk to the banker again to open up a Premier account. As a military person, I do get the Premier account, and I do get a security box, all that free of charge. And from there, you know, it's gonna be smooth sailing. I got 6 months to prove to them that I'm not the same dude before, even though it really wasn't my fault. If you watch this video, you'll see why it was the earning out. But I gotta prove them 6 months that I'm not the same person I was before, so they can see that, and then we can start building that relationship so I can get these credit cards. Listen, I want the Chase Freedom Flex card more than anything right now. That's my main card that I want to get. So this has all been a process. Everything that I'm doing right now is to build. I'm taking steps to build where I need to be, because 2021, man, I'm pressing go all 2021. There's ain't nothing holding me back. Like, I'm gonna be going for everything. So I got steps I need to take, man, but this is one of the beginning ones right here. So this took a little video just to let you guys know what's going on with Chase, man. You can be back in their good graces, pay it off, show that you can be responsible, and you know what I'm saying, they'll take you back. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, man. This has been the Eccentric Digital Media production. My name is EJ, and until next time, man, y'all make sure y'all stay up, get your credit score up. Till next time, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Chase, I am coming for that Freedom Flex card. Watch out for me. And until next time, man. Peace! I don't say peace no more. Wrong channel. I'm out.